How to log into TurboTax account. Are you ready to tackle your taxes but stuck at the lock screen on the TurboTax? Whether you are gearing up to file your return or just checking last year numbers, logging in should be quick. In this guide, I'll show you easy way to log into your TurboTax account. So let's dive in. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in turbotax.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website, at the top right corner, you'll see the option of Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the phone number, email, or the user ID of your TurboTax account. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. After you provide your details, click on Sign In. Now go ahead and type in your password, or also you can use code to log into your account that will be sent to your email address or the phone number. Once you are done, you can click on Continue. And just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into your TurboTax account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.